Amazon in the US of A, not in anywhere else yet, has launched what they call negative product targeting. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to briefly mention that. And to start, it's important that I tell you what the problem is so you know why this is so cool for us, because now it's fixed a really, really a bit of a bitch of a problem. So here's an Amazon listing for this waffle maker. Very cool product. Look at that, $9.99 for a waffle maker. Incredible. Such amazing value for money. And on this particular page, of course, you can see there's lots and lots of marketing, lots and lots of products for sale. Here's one, for instance, this one just here. Is that going to let us do that? Now the Avo automatic milk frother. People buying 2 of these together, which is really, really weird. Some brands being advertised under brand advertising. And then all of this great stuff here. And then down the bottom, videos, sponsored products related to this item. Okay, so here's the thing. Typically, when you set up an automatic campaign for your Amazon PPC, you will end up with your product being advertised on other people's product details page, just like all of these people are. Okay, so 9 times out of 10, this is people running an Amazon auto campaign, which is a really good idea to do, by the way, because it will allow you to see placements. That's a placement what we're looking at right now, and also allow you to uncover new search terms that you may not have realized will work that actually do work. So Amazon auto campaigns, really, really cool idea. That's one of the reasons I get you to set them up. However, what you will also find as well when you run your Amazon auto campaigns is that your product will get shown on a lot of different placements. Again, these are placements, so these products are being shown on somebody else's product details page. They're being placed onto somebody else's product details page, hence the term placements. So you'll also find that some of those placements do not work at all. Do not work at all. And so what you would want to be able to do is stop Amazon automatically putting you onto those product details pages, onto those placements, so that you're not wasting your money. Okay? Now, up until a week ago, that was actually incredibly difficult to do. It was incredibly difficult to do, and really the only way you could do it, the only easy way you could do it, little caveat there, would have been to take the brand name dash or some very, very unique term on their product details page that you knew had been indexed. I'm getting a bit techie here. I can feel myself slipping into techie phase. So you take the brand name. Let's just stick with that. You take the brand name and you add that as a negative search term to your auto campaign, and that would filter out some of it. However, it wouldn't do all of it, which was a bitch. So you still ended up giving Amazon money for nothing. Bad. However, now what Amazon has done is it's allowing us to target negative products. Okay, negative products. So here I'm on some campaign. I can now add a negative product. So I can do brands. Cool. But I can also now do products. So let's just add one in here. Here's the ASIN number. If you're new here, then you will know or just be learning that ASIN stands for Amazon Standard Identification Number, and it's their own internal way of labeling stuff. So if I put that in there and hit search, that comes up, and I can now add that as a negative placement, which is super, super cool. So here's the to-do that comes out of this. Go and run what's called a search term report for your auto campaigns that you're running on Amazon. Don't worry if you're not running one yet, you will do at some point. So just file this away until then. On that report, you'll see heaps and heaps of ASINs. Look at the ones that are converting, keep those. The ones that aren't converting, add them to a negative product targeting in Amazon, and you'll save yourself a shitload of money. That's brand spanking new, just come out, really, really cool. Make sure you do that. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.